In this video, I will show you how to acquire your own enterprise and build a business empire within the massive open world of OneState RP. As you can see on the Google Play Store page, this is a highly detailed role-play life simulator set in a pocket-sized version of LA where up to 900 real players interact on a single server. To start your journey toward becoming a CEO, you first need to understand that this world thrives on a player-driven economy. You begin by navigating the hustle through various roles, whether you choose to be a law-abiding citizen or dive into the crime-filled lifestyle of a gangster. The key to buying an enterprise is your ability to generate capital through consistent jobs and smart trades. As we look at the game features, you will notice that ambition is rewarded and your hustle truly defines your status. While some users mention that high-end real estate like apartments can be pricey, reaching around $2 million in-game currency, the path to ownership involves flipping deals and investing your earnings wisely. You will need to explore the city, identify available business opportunities, and manage your finances carefully, potentially using in-app purchases to supplement your growth if you want to speed up the process. Owning an enterprise allows you to make your mark in a living city that never sleeps, giving you a unique identity in this stylized action-adventure. Make sure to keep an eye on seasonal events and fresh drops that might provide new ways to profit. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your rise to the top, please like the video and subscribe for more roleplay tips. Drop a comment below telling me which business you plan to own first in OneState.